how to find the review filtered comments on your account on TikTok. Today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end, then make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First, you will just open TikTok. Then when TikTok is open, you will just go to profile here and open your profile. Then go to this three line here, open. Then go to settings and privacy, open. Then go to privacy, open it, and then go to comments, open and go to the last review filtered comments. And here you will find review filtered comments on your TikTok account. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel. See you next video.